2025 is here, and if your money's just sitting in a bank, inflation is quietly shrinking it. Today, I'll show the smartest ways to invest in 2025, fast, practical, and aimed at beginners. From safe index funds to growth opportunities like AI and crypto, I'll cover what to know and what to avoid. Stick around. I'll also tell you what I'm personally watching this year. Quick credibility. I've analyzed market trends and helped beginners build portfolios for years. This video is for total beginners and folks who want a clear roadmap for 2025. We'll cover 6 practical options: index funds, bonds, real estate, individual stocks, crypto, and alternatives. If you learn something, hit like and comment which option you want me to deep dive next. Let's dive in. First up, the foundation everyone should know. Index funds still beat most active managers. Low fees and broad diversification. Use S&P 500 ETFs and add global funds for balance. Set it and forget it. In 2025, consider sector ETFs. AI, automation, and clean energy are gaining focus. Next, bonds and high-yield savings are back as rates normalize. I-bonds, treasuries, and good high-yield accounts are great for safety and emergency funds. Rule: prioritize safety for short-term goals. Use bonds to balance risk. So far, index funds for growth, bonds for safety. Next, real estate options for passive income. Real estate is local. Some markets cool, others still strong. Consider REITs for passive exposure and fractional platforms to diversify with less capital. Short-term rentals can work, but watch local rules and costs. All right, that's the quick foundation. Now a fast run through the 6 core options one by one. Index funds = low fees plus compounding. Automate monthly contributions. Pro: beats most active funds over time. Con: you won't beat the market overnight. Patience required. Rule of thumb: start with an index core. Add targeted ETFs. High-yield savings can earn 3–5% in some places. Great for your emergency fund. I-bonds protect against inflation. Treasuries offer safety for longer goals. Use bonds for stability and when you need the cash within 1–5 years. Housing is local. Research markets. Don't assume nationwide trends apply. REITs and fractional platforms let you invest without being a landlord. Watch regulation risk for short-term rentals and transaction costs. AI and automation are major themes in 2025. Consider diversified exposure, not picks only. Green energy is a multi-year story. Look at profit and policy risk. Health and biotech offer upside, but come with regulatory volatility. Tip: if you pick individual stocks, size positions small and diversify across sectors. Crypto is more mainstream. Bitcoin ETFs make access easier for many investors. Ethereum Layer 2s and certain stablecoins are gaining real use cases in 2025. Warning: volatility is high. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Gold and silver remain classic hedges against uncertainty. Collectibles are niche, can appreciate but illiquid and risky. Private equity and startups are available via crowdfunding. High risk, long horizon. If you want hands-off investing, robo-advisors offer allocation and automatic rebalancing. Main rule: match investments to your risk tolerance and time horizon. Dollar cost averaging reduces timing risk. Automate contributions. Keep 3–6 months of expenses in a safe account before taking big risks. Always check fees. They eat returns over time. Sample beginner split. Core index 60%, bonds 20%, exploration 20%, like sector ETFs or crypto. Rebalance yearly or when allocations drift significantly. Adjust percentages to your comfort with risk. Avoid panic selling during corrections. Staying invested matters. Also avoid over-diversification. Keep your allocations meaningful. Prioritize education over chasing hot tips. 3 steps to start: open an account, set an auto-transfer, start with what you can afford. Use low-fee brokers or a robo-advisor for simplicity. Consistency beats timing. Small amounts grow over decades. Quick recap: index funds, bonds, savings, real estate options, sector stocks, crypto cautiously, and alternatives. Choose what fits your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. Now, a short actionable takeaway and how you can engage. Final takeaway. Diversify, be patient, and invest according to your plan, not hype. Which option interests you most for 2025? Comment below. And if this helped, like and subscribe for deeper guides. Thanks for watching.